Okay. Let's do this. Oh, it's recording. Hey, Jacob. Jacob! Say hi.
Howdy.
You wanna say anything?
I'm a dummy and ran over a trailer jack and blew out a tire.
I didn't mean that. I just said, you wanna say anything? Like, no, we did though. We actually blew a trailer tire. No, not trailer tire.
Truck tire.
The work truck tire. So oops. We're in my truck right now because we are smart and we don't have a spare. We ordered a new tire. I ordered it from eBay, and it's new. Don't worry. And it's gonna be here someday. It said Thursday. I'm hoping it'll be sooner than that because I need it before then. Really, in reality, but oh well. Okay, I'm gonna go get diesel now. Good job, Jacob.
What? Did I break it?
No, you're doing good. You got your Corona blocker on.
Oh yeah, sure.
We don't want to spread the
I
bleep.
made family friendly too, but we can get a panda.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, see.
that's good.
The kiddos might be scared because of Corona, but no need for that.
No need for it.
No.
Of course, your panda does have his mouth open with big teeth. Like,
It's okay.
okay, we're gonna cut down that oak tree, and we're gonna cut down that oak tree, and we're gonna cut them up, and we're gonna throw them in there. Good job. And that's it. So much excitement. There's so much excitement going on. I can't wait.
Hey! That didn't work.
I forgot earplugs, but I'm prepared, so it's fine. Did you sweat? Is that sweat all over you? Is that what that is? No. It is raining still, but it like just released Thor for a minute.
Are you talking about when I threw the trash can full of water at you?
I wasn't, but that's actually a better. Yeah.
Oh.
I was just talking about when it started raining.
That didn't happen. It's totally the rain. Stop looking.
We will cue the pretty drive home montage. think we're gonna end this one. That's the thing we were talking about. This is the tire. Here, look at this. Right there. It has a mouth. So that's why that didn't work. And now we're just gonna put all that stuff from that truck back to that truck for now, because we're supposed to get some scattered rain. Even though I think we got the only thunderstorm in the state at the time. And then that's about it.
Nope.
No words of wisdom? Nope. Come on. I know you're holding back something profound.
Stay safe.
That's too cliche. Gotta be something.
That's all I got.
That's it? Jacob.
Nothing extraordinary going on in this room. You snorted.
I did.
Yep.
Okay, bye.